Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Wasi'ani and I'm here want to explain about discovery learning. Okay. The first is definition of discovery learning. Discovery learning is a type of learning when learners construct their own knowledge by experimenting with a domain and inferring rules from the results of this experiment. The basic idea of this kind of learning is that because learners can design their own experiment on the domain and infer the rules of the domain themselves, they are actually constructing their knowledge. Strategy in teaching. It begins with teacher preparation such as preparing a lesson plan, classroom setting, and media. Then it will be continued by teaching process, in which the students face three major implementing activities, namely introduction activity, core activity, and close activity. Applying discovery learning strategy. The class in which the discovery learning is applied should offer experience to make students want to learn or be motivated to learning. This experience must have an amount of uncertainty, which in turn will increase students' interest and curiosity to solve the problem. The teacher also must carefully plan the question which should be asked in order to help students to attain the topic being taught. Then the teacher needs to consider that discovery learning is a natural process. It means that when acquiring the knowledge, there are no any bounding rules that can regulate students strictly. Media to prepare should be really fun with the topic being taught and can make students feel motivated to study, such as videos, pictures, ghostwritings, and other print text related to the topic. Internet is also a suitable media for this strategy, as the school can provide Wi-Fi network. Teaching procedures. There is have three procedures in there. The first is introduction activity, the second is core activity, and then the last is close activity. Core activity have five topic in there. The first is observing, the second is questioning, the third is information collecting, and then the next is associating, and then the last is communicating. The advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of discovery learning is discovery learning strategy enrich students' background knowledge and students' vocabulary. The second, discovery learning strategy encourages students' motivation to study. The third is can create curiosity, brings out creativity, students learn both fact or information about the text and skills, and increase students' confidence. And then the next is disadvantage of discovery learning. The first is discovery learning strategy will require too much time for preparation and learning. The second is the number of the students, and then the last is about the limited number of the lesson to be taught. Okay, I think enough my presentation today about discovery learning. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.